There's some confusion about what happened that night. Can you give us your account about what actually happened that evening? Yes, I just got off of work that night. And I got a call from Tuna to meet up with him. Now that was the night of the J-Book Fiji concert, but I told him I wasn't feeling well. So he told me if I was feeling better to meet him at the Chutniks or the clubhouse.
He better remember what I told him. If he lies again, I'm not shooting him in the shoulder. Pangasatwan mahutas Ungoooh. Don't play that.
Go meet up with Tuna at the Chutniks. I'm sorry. I can't keep up this lie. I have to tell the truth. Tuna made me lie. It had nothing to do with anyone from Sunnydale. It was all made up. Tuna said to Sam because he was mad at work messing with his wife.
Bullshit! They were dating at the time.
I was going to tell my mom I was going to a local bucky. Sorry, Mom.